are finished up with our 2015 Ford F-350 long bed. Got our Fab Four bumpers, front and rear, rigid lights, rigid ditch lights, AlphaRex front and rear tail lights. We custom painted this grille and had the bumpers also custom powder coated to match. Also did the amp steps and had those custom powder coated as well, front and bottom. Bed cover. Also did the third brake light. Found him a new tailgate. His had gotten stolen, so we painted that. Also got that dent out of his door as well. That big dent is gone. Something you're looking to get done. Give us a call, 469-638-6828. Prosper, Texas. Have a good day.